Some people watch these. Random people watch these, and someone commented on it that it was boring.
Yep, they're pretty boring.
I'm like, guys, it's a math statistic test, biostatistics. It's not exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I saw once it said like one viewer up in the top corner, and I was like, okay.
I know.
Somebody's actually watching this? Alright, whatever.
I know. Sometimes I think it's interesting. I think a few people have watched these, and I'm like, all right, go ahead and watch them, but it's just not exciting.
I'm like, I wonder if like they have to watch them or something, because like I would not
know.
watch this if I didn't have to.
Yeah, me either.
I wouldn't even be in this if I didn't have to.
Yeah. Exactly.
I second that. Oh man.
All right, should we get started?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just open it up. It looks like. Oh yeah, these are the exact same questions as the review. All right.
Okay.
So you ready?
Yep.
Number one, false.
False.
All right.
Last time I'd asked if you finished like the whole thing before the group meeting.
Oh yeah.
I hadn't finished my worksheet yet. I thought we were supposed to do it together, so I just did like 3/4 of it.
Well, usually it says finish this with your group.
Yeah.
I know. That's what I thought it said last time too, but it's last time we were
So-
supposed to do it first. So.
All right.
All
So
right,
number
here we
2 is we are 90% confident that your mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Yep.
That's what I got too.
Okay. Number 3, yes, and it's because the data is normal.
Yeah, that's what I got
That's what I
too.
got. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so I wasn't completely sure about 4. I was thinking, would it be either the last one because there are 2 independent samples of each other, or
Let's see.
Yeah, so this is a confidence interval using independent samples, I think.
because you have the males and the females, and they don't depend on each other.
No.
No.
And
But
there's
you
there's
are
a
testing a
difference.
difference. Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I don't have the questions. Pull up the questions from before. I just have the answers on my thing, but they're in different orders on this test. So.
Okay.
Interest in savings account.
I think I put obtain the balances of 90 bank comfortably rather than 30.
Yeah, increase the sample size.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right, because that would make
The margin of error.
smaller because you divide by the sample size square rooted. So.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm on my class, buddy.
This one I got the 998.040, comma the 1001.960.
I did too.
Okay.
Well, let me double check and make sure I did.
Yeah, it ended up being 1 times 1.96 for the margin of error. So.
Yeah.
So it's just 1.96 that I had to add
Yep.
this fact.
Yep.
Oh, we just had to
Looks
find
like
the. Okay.
Let's see, on 7 I got the 38,400.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Alright. That'd be A, the is less than 1250.
Yep.
Yep.
Because and you find that because it says apartments are smaller than advertised, right? Like that's the word
Yeah.
you look
Yeah.
for.
Mhm.
Okay. I've been trying to just find these words and stuff sometimes. So
Well, on one of the tests, it said greater than, and I did greater than, and it like on the homework, and she marked me wrong, and I was
Hmm.
it was weird.
Yeah, that's weird.
Have you guys been figuring out how to use the SPSS stuff?
I actually went through a lot of videos and watched a lot of videos and took notes on it because I wouldn't otherwise I would have no idea how to do it.
I think I'm still just going to do it in Excel.
Same.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Because you can, if you open Excel like in the VMware thing, then you can
Uh-huh.
copy and paste it from the SPSS program.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Nice, right
and then
on.
I don't have to look up how to do anything. So
Yeah, see, Brother Cromar has all the videos and how to use them, so I just like take notes on it.
Oh yeah.
I figured he probably knows how to use it, so
Yeah.
because I'm gonna use,
Yeah.
I like to use both of them just to see like what the difference is. If
Yeah.
there is any, you know.
Okay.
All right. What's
So
number
on 9, I got
I got
the
the
if the
second
p
one.
value is less than a. Yeah.
Yeah,
P-value less than A?
yeah.
Yep.
Okay. For alpha.
Yep. Less than alpha. Let's see. On 10, I got that they don't have enough data.
Data.
Oh wait.
Hold on.
I think I put
No, I got A.
yeah, I put it is enough to because they have bell-shaped and no outliers.
Yeah.
That's
So
what I put.
yeah. So they are normally distributed.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the data are all bell-shaped.
Yeah.
With no outliers.
Yep. That is what I put. I remember thinking it was going to be that they
Yeah.
didn't have enough data because the sample sizes were too small. But
Only
now I realize
15.
they're bell-shaped.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see. 11.
I got type 1 error.
Type 1 error. Yep.
Yeah.
Rejected the null when you shouldn't.
Yep.
Okay. And 12. If you reduce the probability of committing a type 1 error, you increase the probability of type 2.
Yeah.
Because they're inversely related, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
13.
I really wasn't too sure on 13. It was one of the
I
ones
got that you reject the null.
Really.
Did you guys get that?
Let's see.
That was one of the only ones that I didn't get an answer for, or wasn't very confident in the answer. I didn't write an answer down.
Yeah, I don't know.
So let's see. Let me look at what the equation is on my.
I'm doing it right now.
So, oh, this one you had to pull up the probability applet.
Oh, okay. And you had to.
So, because sigma's known, you can find a z-score.
Oh, okay. Find the z-score
Oh, yeah.
then. Gotcha.
So, I should probably go back through that again because I don't remember how to do it.
Yeah. That's,
So the z-score is the new mean minus the
minus the old mean.
population
Yeah.
and then divide that by the standard deviation divided by the number of samples, right?
So the square root,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
0.17 divided by.
Divided by square root of 100, which is 10.
Yeah. So I get that the z-score is 1.76. And then
I gotta pull up my app.
Okay, so and this is a one-sided test, so you only shade the one side.
Yeah, the greater than side.
Yeah.
0.0392.
Yep. And so
Yeah,
that's
so
less than
Which is
0.05,
less.
Yeah,
so you reject it.
gotcha.
Direct the null. I put the.
And I hope the test is like this. This would be nice. With no
I know.
multiple choice. I wish they did it like this.
Seriously.
I
I
know,
like
because
having
it's
the
nice.
numbers.
Yeah, because then if
Like-
you get them, you're like, oh yeah, so that's right.
I
Or like if
know.
it's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
close.
Well, sometimes
Like
I feel
if
like
it
I'm so close.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah.
like I'm like just 0.1 or 0.2 off
Exactly.
thanks to Excel versus Emma.
Yep.
Right.
Let's see. 14. Let's look at the mean number of hours worked for wages per week by male students and female students. We make a random sample of 100 for each group and test those measures different.
Is this a
Independent sample
Here.
t-test.
Yeah, I
paired
think
sample
so.
test?
Because I think the paired sample is when the first, when you have the two groups, or
Two.
yeah, if you have one group, then they're in the second group automatically.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Independent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is just saying that you do need this many from each group. It doesn't say that like, oh, you choose these girls from this classroom, so you're choosing the guys from that classroom are also going to be part of the sample or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Let's
this
see.
is
So
this one's
15.
dependent.
yeah, because if you
Yeah.
select the
And
brother,
it's-
then you have to do the sister too.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is dependent.
Yeah, if group B is dependent on group A, then it's dependent.
So which one is it? Okay, so if you select a brother so as to compare his academic achievement to his sister, you must include a sister in your study. Is that right?
Yep.
That's
Yep.
what's okay.
Yep.
Just making sure. That's what I have about. All right.
So on 16, I got that the confidence interval for mu when sigma is unknown.
And,
Yeah,
like
because
they
it's
should-
only one test, and they don't
Yeah,
know
and
the
it
standard.
doesn't give it to you.
doesn't
So
give it to you.
I feel like they should
Yeah.
tell us what we need to open up before we like take the quiz. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
not in the middle of the test because I have to open up like 5 more tabs.
yeah. I've just gotten so used to opening them all just in case.
Smart.
these-
I
I
should
know.
probably just do that.
I need to do that.
I should probably just do that. Okay.
7.
So are we on 17 then?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
I got D on 17, the very bottom one.
I got D as well.
11.168.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just get that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just to make sure everyone knows how to do it. Don't want to skip ahead if anyone has questions.
No. I'm good.
Because basically all you need is the information, then you just use like either Excel or SPSS, right?
Yeah, and all that stuff is.
Yeah, you just have to plug
It's all
in.
given to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's not that bad. It's just making sure you have the right stuff open.
Yeah.
So this is definitely one of the mean of differences. Would it be?
I think it's independent samples
Okay.
because they're not really related to each other. They're just in 2 different cities.
Yeah, it's independent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And then on 19, I got the third one down, 423.
423. Yeah.
Or negative.
Yeah.
Negative.
That'd be a NOVA since it's 3 groups, wouldn't it? Or does that not always count?
Yeah. Yep,
No,
it's a
it
NOVA.
is. Yes.
That's always guaranteed. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's confusing me because they're like 1 question off of what's on the homework.
Yeah.
And so I keep putting the wrong one. Okay, so the test statistic on 21 I got a 7.978.
Yeah, that's... I keep thinking that I had a different...
What'd you get for the test?
The third one down, 7.978.
Okay. There we go. Okay.
The F statistic called something different than the test statistic, or is it the same thing?
No, it's always the
No,
test statistic. I don't know why it's weird. Because I thought that was just for T, but...
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I thought originally. And I saw F, and I was like, okay, I remember F stood for something.
Yeah.
But I didn't think it... So... Okay, for the p-value, I got 0.002.
Yep, me too.
Mhm.
Which means in 23 that there is evidence you reject the null so that one of the means is different than the other ones, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Seems like
got B.
I feel like on every one of those ANOVA ones, there's always sufficient evidence.
I know. Every one we've done so far,
Every
anyway.
one
We've
different.
always, yeah.
So just wait till the test.
I
It'll
know.
switch.
It's gonna be all weird.
That's what I feel like.
Sufficient evidence.
Oh boy, come on. Let's see.
We've had to do the
We've
airline.
done this
tickets
one. I was gonna say
haven't
we've done the airline one. Yes.
Yeah, we have.
Well, what is 22 and 23?
I was trying to.
22 is 0.002, and 23 is there is sufficient evidence to conclude that one of the groups differs from the others.
Okay. Sorry, I was like opening up at SPSS open and like slow down the whole thing.
No, you're fine.
Alright, 24.
So 24, I got dependent samples.
Okay. Yeah. Are they dependent?
Yeah, because if it's the same, it's like the same ticket, but just 14.
A different day or different days.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's dependent too on like how
think-
many seats are left, I think, as well, and the time. Because it's like a certain time period between, as they get closer, they get more expensive, and then if they're like super close and they still don't have them, they're gonna start just selling them off to fill seats. So I see it as being dependent as well.
I'm trying to see. Yeah, I think it's dependent.
Are you able to get the right test statistic and p-value with dependent? If so, that's probably it.
Oh,
I got
yeah,
0.
Go ahead.
For the test statistic and p-value, I got completely different answers from what was on there, so I assumed that I was probably wrong on 24. I was wrong on the other two.
Oh yeah.
So I did get I got the test statistic as 1.685. And the
Okay.
p-value is 0.096.
Gotcha.
P-value, just making sure 0.096, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Which would mean in 27 there is sufficient
There is
evidence to
sufficient.
conclude that there's a difference.
Okay, yeah. Right on. All right, ready to submit?
Yeah.
What was the last? What was 27?
There's sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference.
Okay, I can go ahead and submit it first if we're ready.
All right.
Okay.
Is it purchased 14 days in advance compared to 90 days in advance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
All right, we got 100.
Sweet.
Nice.
Yeah, I hope the exam's like this too. I felt like the first one there was some weird
Whoa.
stuff that.
Yeah, same.
I got number 8 wrong.
Okay, hold on. I currently did not answer a question.
I got number 8 wrong.
Oh,
You didn't
what one
put-
did you put?
I actually didn't put greater than instead of less than. Oops. Whatever.
Okay. Ooh,
Dumb mistake. It's okay. I'll take the missing one question. I can handle that.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I really hope that they don't give us total blanks. It's so much nicer to have the numbers.
I
That
know.
would be really nice.
Did you
I
miss some
know.
stuff, Jordan?
No, I just didn't do I didn't do 10 or 11. I didn't
Oh, man.
do any answer. Well, it told me, it says you haven't completed all the answers. So I just,
Oh, good.
for some reason, no, I got 100.
So, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Answers to those.
No. I actually, I have them right here. I was just going through. I don't know why I didn't click on that.
Gotcha.
So, I'm losing my mind.
No worries.
Yeah, I hope there are multiple choice as well. That would
Me
make
too.
this
Yeah.
test like 10
So much
times
That
easier.
would make it amazing.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh. I hope it's as, I felt like I understood these questions, and then you do the test, and
Yeah, don't get what you want.
I'm like, am I studying the same thing that everyone else is? Because this is
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah.
Does this test
Alright.
open on Friday then?
I think it opens the 6th.
Yeah, so that's tomorrow.
One day,
Wow.
3 hours.
Not till
14 minutes.
11:55 p.m. So basically Friday.
Friday. Okay.
That's crappy.
Yeah, that is.
I fly out Friday at like 11, so I have to take it first thing in the morning or midnight, one of the two.
It's hard. I don't know which is better. Sometimes midnight's better.
I know.
Sometimes it is because I'm already awake, so
Yeah, if you have to wake up and then like do a math exam right away, that's bad news.
not what
Yeah.
I want to wake up to.
No,
That's for sure.
that'll ruin your
Oh,
whole
Lord.
trip.
It really would. Oh man.
All right.
All right, guys.